Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 988, that is smallest string starting from leaf, and in this we'll be given a root of binary where each node has a value in the range of 0 to 25 representing the letters from A to Z. And we have to return the lexicographically small string that starts at the leaf of the string and ends at the root. Okay, and as a reminder, lexicographically smaller string means that AB is lexicographically smaller than ABA. Okay, so for example, if in this we are having the string DBA would be our answer because this is the lexicographically small string which starts from the leaf and ends up to the root. Okay, all the strings are lexicographically bigger than the DBA. In the other test case, we are having ADZ as the smallest lexicographical string which starts at the leaf node and ends at the root. Okay, so we need to find the smallest lexicographical string, and this is just another basic DFS question. So first, let's have the smallest string. That will be our smallest string that, let's say, it's currently null because we are not having any small string right now. And then we'll write a function that is tfs, and that will be passing the root and, let's say, new string builder to form the string. Okay, new string builder, and at the end we'll just return smallest string. Okay, now we are having, let's say, we'll write the function that is private void dfs, and in this we'll be taking parameters as tree node, root, and the string builder sb, let's say. And then the base condition that if root is equal to null, what I'll be doing is I'll be just simply returning. Otherwise I have to do sb dot, I'll be appending the current character sb dot append. What I need to do is firstly I'll be typecasting it to char, and then I'll be adding root dot val plus the small a, or you can just directly add 97 also. Then what I'll be doing, I'll be checking that if my current node is leaf node or not. So for that, root dot left should be equal to null, and root dot right should be equal to null. Okay, and now what I have to do is I have to basically check that, and okay, let's have also a variable, let's say current string that will be equal to, as we need the nodes from leaf to root, so we'll be just reversing that the current the string builder, because in the after we'll be getting the string which is in the reverse form, otherwise we'll be getting from in the pattern of root to leaf. Okay, sp dot reverse dot to string. Okay, and then if condition that if smallest string, firstly if it's null we need to assign it anyways equal to null, or then we need to use a comparator. Okay, smallest string dot I'll be using compared to the current string. If this returns me a value more than 0, in that case I need to set my smallest string equal to my current string. Okay, and then I'll be just reversing, making the string builder into its original state. And now let's call the dfs again for root.left, and in the string builder I'm just appending okay, I don't need to have a append, I have appended already. And then again dfs root dot right comma sb, and also I need to delete the last character because of factoring issues. Sb dot delete char at sb dot length -1. Okay, now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.